This body butter is going to solve two main issues that we have with a traditional body butter. Number one, the fact that the formula will melt on you if it gets too hot. And number two, that it tends to be a little bit more greasy than most people prefer. This new formulation is going to solve both of those issues and leave you with a lightweight, fluffy, thick, and oil-dense body butter. Hey Raindrops, welcome back. I'm Jamie with the Summer Rain channel, and on this channel I show you how to make your own candles and your own skincare and so much more. If you find value in this video and if you want to see future ones, be sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. First up, we have sweet almond oil. It is packed with moisturizing properties. It is a lightweight and non-greasy oil. It is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Next up, we have Shea Butter. It is a luxurious and deeply nourishing butter. It is intensely hydrating, rich in vitamins, and has anti-inflammatory properties, making this a skincare powerhouse. And let's not forget about cocoa butter. It is rich in velvety. Cocoa butter adds luxurious touch to our body butter. It's deeply moisturizing for our skin, improves elasticity, and it protects against environmental stressors. And next we have distilled water. Confused? Don't be. So by adding a bit of distilled water and some emulsifiers, what we do is we create an emulsion. So an emulsion is what prevents the body butter from melting in the heat. So one of the biggest struggles with a traditional body butter is it melts in the heat, and this solves that problem. In addition, another complaint is the greasy feeling of the body butters. This also solves that problem. A thing that it brings to the body butter that you cannot have if you don't have the water and the emulsion is we can now add water-soluble ingredients to bring extra benefits into our body butter. This is going to allow us to create a better and a more customizable body butter. Emulsifying wax is the unsung hero of this formulation. It ensures our water and oil-based ingredients stay well mixed together, resulting in a stable and creamy body butter. Cetyl alcohol enhances the texture and stability of our body butter. It creates a smooth and creamy consistency without leaving behind a greasy residue. Now that we know our ingredients, let's go ahead and put it all together. In a heat-safe container, we're going to add our water phase. We're going to add 105 grams of distilled water and 20 grams of vegetable glycerin. We're going to give this a quick mix and place it on a double boiler. In another heat-safe container, we're going to go ahead and add your oil phase. 8 grams of emulsifying wax, 12 grams of cetyl alcohol, 40 grams of sweet almond oil, 4 grams of cocoa butter, 6 grams of shea butter, and then we're going to go ahead and place this on the double boiler also. We're going to go ahead and melt this on a medium heat, stirring regularly until the oil phase is completely melted. Once melted, pour the water phase and the oil phase into a mixing container. Okay, this is my favorite part of making an emulsion. Look at the way the color changes once the oil phase hits the water phase. That is the start of our emulsion. We are going to go ahead and blend with an immersion blender to get a smooth and creamy body butter. You're going to need to start out in small bursts and then work your way up to full speed. In between blending with the immersion blender, we're going to go ahead and mix by hand. I kind of go back and forth doing this, and then I will hit it again with the immersion blender. Now we're going to do this until you get to about this consistency. Now we'll go ahead and add our cool down ingredients. 1 gram of Germal Plus preservative and 4 grams of fragrance oil. The preservative keeps the body butter fresh and it prevents mold and bacteria from growing in our product. We are going to go ahead and mix this well to fully combine everything together. If you are adding color, this is the time that you want to add it. You can add one color or try multiple colors for a fun twist. Just add in the color and mix it very well. Allow the body butter to cool completely. This will be the consistency. We are going to transfer it into a piping bag. And then the fun part, we're going to go ahead and pipe this into our containers. There's no special way to pipe it, so just do the best that you can. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pop a label on my jar. The free label and printable recipe are available on my blog. I have the link down in the description box below if you're interested. And there you have it, a thick, stable, and non-greasy body butter ready to nourish your skin. It really is that easy to make.